Del here with another product review, and this one is sour cream and onions. Yum yum. And this calls layers. Is that what we call it? Yeah, Lay's layers. Sour cream and onion. The fat and the saturated fat is kind of medium. No cholesterol. About the average amount of sodium. No fiber. And as far as the vitamins goes, there's negligible amount of calcium, a little bit of iron, and a little bit of potassium. Let's see what they taste like. They probably taste superb, but we'll taste them anyway, just to make sure. These aren't bad. Not bad at all. I'm saying that this bag does not belong to me, otherwise I'd eat most of it. But I just have one more just to make sure. These taste superb. These are not bad. This is a real nice snack to go with a sandwich. You know, kind of like that while we're watching TV. So I don't usually say this, but like on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd rate them right up there, 8 or 9. So we got 5 servings per container, 22 pieces a serving, 140 calories within the 22 pieces, and guaranteed fresh. So yeah, I'm good with this. Do it yourself, Del. Hope that this helps you decide whether or not you want to buy this product. And remember, thumb up and share.